All right, one of the most useful things about My Big Campus and their schoolwork is the ability to upload documents that you have created somewhere else, like say a Word document, a PDF, an image. This makes it really easy if you're working with an iPad, being able to upload things from different apps. This is not using an iPad, and I'll do some screenshots and add it to this video later, but I created a homework assignment here, so I'm going to go in and find that hopefully really quick. I've created a few types of questions here, so you can see this is a question to be able to upload. This is a file upload question, and I just typed in there something along the lines of, upload your PDF that you saved, kind of show a few different documents within this one video. The next one here was a just a simple essay box where you can type in whatever you want. So I said to type in a URL. Then this is another one where we've got the file essay upload. So this is the essay upload question type. See if I hover over that again, you'll see the essay file upload question type. And I'm going to show two ways that you can do it. I said upload your Edgar Allan Poe essay, whatever you want to do. Doesn't really matter the content of the question itself for this demo. And then the last one is to upload another file type, thinking go ahead and use a file upload question to upload a screenshot maybe from an iPad. And this has worked. So that's the assignment that was created and assigned out. Now what I'm going to do is log in as a student here. Okay, so now I'm logged in as a student. I'm going to go ahead and look at the homework assignment, and we're going to go ahead and start it. So the first question again was a file essay upload, or not a file essay, just a file upload question. It says please upload a PDF save to it, and whether they have it saved in their drive or somewhere out on the computer that they're working on. I would think after a few times this should be pretty simple. You give them directions here. You can even tell them in the directions, click the little icon of a picture or click the icon of a cloud, depending on where you know your student's information is. But mine's out on my computer right now, so I'm going to go ahead and just go find a PDF here real quick. I don't really care which one it is at this point for the purpose of this demonstration. So I will pick a nice bell schedule right here. It loads up there. They don't even have to do anything else. The questions, the problem is there. They can delete it out pretty easily right there if they needed to. Here, copy a URL. I guess I'll just go over here and pick our CATSTEN website, which if you're ever interested in looking at different resources that we have here in our district, you could always take a peek here at ssisdcatsten.net. That's a little plug, I guess, for some work that we're doing on that. But I just control copy and control paste that in there now. But I just copy and paste that link in, no problems. Here, upload your Edgar Allan Poe essay here. I'm going to do this a couple of ways. This is a file essay upload. So you notice again, it gives me the options to upload the actual Word document if I had it out in a Word document, or I can copy and paste all that stuff right into here, making it a little bit easier for you as a teacher to see it. Now when I do that, I'm going to pick a file on my computer that I know doesn't make quite as much sense to do this with, but I've got this how to join a group document. Notice I've got images and things in here. Now these images, if I do it this way, won't work. So I just wanted to point that out, but I can copy all that text, just Control C it, go back into My Big Campus and paste that right in. And now you see that information is here. It's stripped out the pictures, but overall that content's there. If I'm just typing a regular essay type of thing or essay type of assignment, students could just copy it in that way and you can see it. Or the beauty of this type of question is I've got that same dialog box. I can go ahead and go out here and gather up that same file, and now that's going to show up, and we'll look at how that looks from the teacher's perspective as they're trying to grade that later. But now the last one was upload an iPad screenshot. This would be something I'd rather show when I was using the iPad, but I'll show that, and I've done this several times and it's worked great. But again, I would just go out and find some image on my computer, which I'm just going to take this one right here. And I'm finished doing the different types of questions I have. I'm just going to hit submit. I've submitted that. I can continue on and go look at whatever else I need. I'm going to go ahead and log out now. Alright, now I'm logged back in as myself. I'm going to go ahead and look at that schoolwork that's been assigned by my daughter or submitted by my daughter, and here's what you see. Now I've already looked through the one from my other daughter here, and that's why hers has already been graded, but this is what you've got when you do this. You can toggle back and forth here. And I can grade it, of course, just like you grade everything else, but here's a PDF that's been uploaded. If I click on that link, now yes, it'd be nice to be able to see that information right there, but this is a little different view. I click on that, it's opened in a new tab. You can tell that right up here. And here's our bell schedule, or it was our bell schedule last year, I guess. And here is the Capstone link. I could just easily copy that, open up a new tab, paste it in, and I'm taken right out to that website. I can go right back into my schoolwork as I'm grading this. Here I can read the essay right there within my Big Campus's grading panel, or I could go ahead and download that document. Just for the sake of time on the video, I'm not going to go ahead and download it again. And then the beautiful thing about images is that image is right here. If I need to see that, I can click on it. It makes it big enough. I can see, I like to use this with EduCreations. Just take a quick screen grab of something they've done. They can send that in to me. They've got that, basically that little handy whiteboard at their desk when they have iPads. So, again, any image that you get, I can easily grade those. That's how you can get the look from a teacher and a student perspective of uploading files. Again, you do have to train them to look at the dialog box or the file upload box that comes into the questions, but it's going to be the same on all question types. It's the same if they're working in discussion posts. Or that familiarity, I think, will come in pretty quick. I know the first times you use it, and the first times you use anything in any program, it takes a little bit. But hopefully that helps some of you that are kind of wondering how it's going to look and what exactly each of those question types do, and we'll work from there. Thanks for watching.